What is good, everybody? As you can see, we have already started tearing up into the Eclipse. Now, if you're new to the channel and you just started watching this, I have a 1997 Mitsubishi Eclipse GST. That means it's the front wheel drive, turbo 4G63 motor, and I've already started tearing up into this thing. In the previous Eclipse series, you guys saw that I replaced all of the suspension pieces. We got struts, end links, tie rods, lower control arms, just refresh suspension. And now we're gonna go ahead and start refreshing a lot of the seals, and we're gonna replace some hoses because there's some hoses that are leaking, maybe some timing components as well. So let's go ahead and continue tearing this thing apart. Still got some coolant draining there. We're gonna go ahead and take off this cover. Now, this has been on the car ever since I bought it. I have never taken it off, and I've always wanted to take it off, but I wanted to wait for the right moment, and I think this is the right moment. So let's go ahead, let's take this off and see what this thing looks like underneath. I don't even know what type of manifold it has. So let's go ahead and see what surprise we got underneath this. She's finally out. Look at how old and crusty this thing is, bro. Oh my God. Yeah, time to get a new one. At least we can see what kind of headers we got in here now. And these headers look pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. But that heat wrap has to get replaced. Yeah, we gotta take that off. That looks very bad. But as far as everything else goes, I mean, it looks pretty good, but it seems like there is an exhaust leak. There's an exhaust leak somewhere, and it's hard to tell exactly if it's, if it's just loose from over here somewhere, what exactly is going on. It could be the gasket, it might not be the gasket. I mean, the gasket is fairly new. I think they replaced this in 2019 when they did the entire build. Let's go ahead and take all this off. All right, so we got all the heat wrap off, and I'm liking the look of it without it, but I think we still gotta use the heat wrap. We got a bunch of fiber everywhere because it was just completely toasted. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this up. We have a bunch down here as well. So yeah, and I'm gonna plug this up. I gotta get a different O-ring because this one's toasted as well. Let me get you guys caught up because my phone actually died. So we took off the downpipe, and we took off some of these hoses on here that are connected to the turbo. Next, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take off this. I'm not exactly sure what the name of this pipe is, but it basically connects to the intercooler. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this off. The only thing I'm missing up top is this O2 sensor. And then the only thing on the bottom, oil feed, which is connected to the oil pan right here. Yeah, this oil feed that goes up to the turbo right there.
come off of the... I want it to come off. Come on. Okay. Well, if you want to stay on there, be my guest. We didn't even drip barely any oil, so that's good. So yesterday, I was talking with my neighbor and I was showing him everything, and I noticed, look at that, it's loose. That's loose, and then this one is also loose. So that could have been the exact reason. And this is black as heck. These two on the bottom were loose. And I don't know if there's any other ones that are loose, but we're about to find out. Nice. Now we got mad room in here. And you can see how crusty this thing is. Now all of that you see there is all the fibers from when we took off the heat wrap off of the turbo manifold. So we're gonna get all of this nice and cleaned up. I cannot wait to see the difference, bro. But here we go. Here's the turbo, and here's the manifold. Oh shit, I'm just gotta step in on the sensor here. We're gonna cover all of this up, so that way we could just have the turbo manifold exposed. We'll probably just clean this up a little bit, so that way we can go ahead and paint it with some like black thermal paint. Oh, also, look at this. So this is the gasket that was on here, or one thick piece of metal as a gasket. It doesn't have like those layers of gaskets. This is one metal gasket. So this, honestly, I think I could just clean this up and just put this back on. I have a new one, but it's a layered gasket, but this seems kind of cool. And it looks like it would be a lot stronger, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Should we just keep this on? Have you guys seen this before? What kind of gasket is it? Because I honestly don't know. Let me know in the comments down below, so that way I can see what we'll do with this. I'll keep this on the side and clean it up for now, but let me know what you guys think. Should I keep it? Should I replace it and put the OEM replacement one back on? Let me know. Another thing, guys, that I actually found out was these are loose. So it looks like it's just the two that were, because this one I tightened up already, but these two were loose, and these two were also the two that had the screws loose on them as well. So I'm gonna see if I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these up, make sure that they don't move anymore, and then hopefully they don't come back out. Get one good look at this, guys, because we're about to clean the heck out of this. All right, let's get to work. It's got a lot of cleaning to do. Nice. So this is all cleaned up. It looks so much better. What color should I paint the valve cover? Like, I want to do red again, but it's going to be like a wrinkle red or wrinkle black. What do you think I should do? Should I do black or should I do red? On that note, This thing looks so much nicer and it's clean. We're gonna get a new gasket on here. We're gonna get a new gasket on the valve cover, and it's gonna be nice and spicy, and I'm so excited.
This is as far as I'm gonna get on the car because I got a lot of things to do. I gotta go on a trip to Orlando and I gotta do other things as well, and I also actually have to get started on this thing right here. You guys probably been seeing this in the background, but we actually have a brand new motor for the go-kart, and I want to go ahead and actually film us building that thing because it's going to be very interesting, and I've never done anything like this before. So we're still going to make some content on the Eclipse. I'm going to keep doing some more stuff to it, and it's going to be more of like cleaning up because all the parts that I've already took off the exhaust, and you know, some of these pipings, the intercooler piping and all that stuff, all of that has to get cleaned up. So I am excited, and I hope you guys are excited as well. If you guys want to see more content, let me know what you want to see. If you want to see like videos of me cleaning all of these parts, if you want to see video, like just anything, let me know what you guys want to see. I still am doing this challenge on making a video a week, and hopefully everything goes well. So appreciate you guys watching and making it to the end. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.